Hello and welcome to day 2 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Today we will tap to open ourselves up to angelic guidance. In this tapping, you will pick a sign that proves to you that your angels are around you. So think of that sign right now. Pause me if you want to, because in this tapping, I will have you finish the sentence with your special sign from your angels to you. Okay? Whenever you're ready, let's start tapping. I feel disconnected from my angels. I doubt their existence. I cannot feel their guidance. But this holiday season, I'm opening myself up to magic. I'm ready to feel the presence of my guardian angels. I'm opening my heart up to their support. Maybe I still feel uncertain about this, but it's okay. I'm choosing to trust the unknown, and I'm ready to connect with my angels. The eyebrow point. I sometimes feel alone and disconnected from my angels. I wonder if they're really there. What if I'm making it all up? I don't even know how to connect with my angels. Maybe they've been trying to reach me. I just haven't been open to it. What if I've been too distracted to see the signs? It feels scary to open myself up to the unseen. I'm a little nervous, but I'm also a little curious. It's safe to release all these doubts. I release the need to be logical all the time. Some things don't make sense, and that's okay. We don't live in a logical universe. We live in a spiritual and magical universe. I mean, we're floating on a rock in outer space. Anything is possible. I'm an intuitive being. I'm releasing any blocks standing in the way between me and my angels. I'm surrounded by my angels all the time. I'm always being guided at every moment. My angels want the best for me. I open myself up to their signs. I'm going to prove to myself that angels do exist. And that I'm always supported by them. My sign from my angels are every time I see this sign, I know my angels are with me. And even if I don't, I know they're still with me. The sign is just an extra little bonus of love. I'm so grateful for the love of my angels. I'm always divinely supported. Their guidance flow to me in magical ways. I am deeply connected to my angels, and so it is. There's a yellow butterfly outside of my window. I never see yellow butterflies. Proof that angels are real and they're here right now after that tapping. So do this tapping and let me know if you receive your sign. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.